Today, we're diving into the world of curry chicken, an absolute flavor fiesta that will transport you to culinary heaven. Hey there, my fellow foods. Welcome back to my cooking channel, where we embark on delicious escapades that will have your taste buds doing the happy dance. Among the many curry chicken videos shared on YouTube, what is different about this curry chicken video I shared? In today's video, I will put in a mysterious seasoning to bring the taste of curry to another level. Do you know what it is? Let me know in the comments section. Of course, at the end of the video, I will definitely tell you what seasoning this is, so be sure to watch the end. Are you ready? In addition to preparing ingredients, don't forget to prepare some smiles. Although optional, I highly recommend it. There will be many versions of chicken curry recipes on the internet, and the version I introduced today is the traditional Hong Kong-style chicken curry. Today we use chicken legs that have been deboned. Because the meat of this part is tender and smooth, we need to cut the drumsticks into relatively uniform sizes. Depending on your personal preference, you can also choose other parts or even a whole chicken. But the things that need to be paid attention to are: cut all the pieces into relatively uniform sizes. To ensure even cooking, if you are using frozen chicken, in order to remove the peculiar smell of frozen chicken, we also need to soak the chicken in salt water after cutting it. After soaking, we rinse the chicken and dry it with kitchen paper. After the chicken is dry, it's ready to marinate. Since we are going to use curry paste this time, we will not put curry powder in the marinade. How did curry become a Chinese dish? We call it gale in Cantonese, a loan word for curry. The word curry is derived from the Tamil word curry, which means sauce. After a long time, there are all kinds of curry dishes all over the world. Rather than making curry from scratch, all-purpose curry powder or curry paste is an easy way for British businessmen to bring home a taste of Indian meals when the British Empire ruled Hong Kong. Curry powder was also brought into Hong Kong. Creative Hong Kong chefs are adding curry powder to dishes such as Singapore noodles and chicken. Gale gay in Cantonese finally became one of the must-order delicacies in Hong Kong tea restaurants. Ants. After the pepper, we put 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/5 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. Toss all seasonings with the chicken, making sure all the chicken absorbs the flavors. Finally, add an appropriate amount of oil. Stir and marinate for 10 minutes. The chicken is set aside to marinate while the vegetables are ready. After peeling the potatoes and carrots, cut off the ends of the carrots and wash the potatoes and carrots. Cut the potatoes and carrots into larger chunks with a hog. If you're not planning to cook them right away, submerge the potato pieces in a bowl of cold water to prevent browning from oxidation. If you want to know about 10 basic Chinese knife techniques, you can also leave a message in the comment area. Next up is the red onion. If you want to learn more about Cantonese cuisine, please follow our channel. We will share Cantonese cuisine recipes and related knowledge step by step every week. Finally, slice the ginger. Once the ingredients are ready, it's time to fry. First, turn on the fire and heat the pot. When the pan is hot, put the oil and give it a swirl to coat. When the oil ripples, or after 40 to 50 seconds, add sliced ginger. Fry the ginger until golden, or after 20 to 30 seconds, remove the ginger. Next, we put in the chicken. First of all, we put the side of the chicken skin down into the pot, because it is relatively flat and easy to fry, since we want them to brown, so we don't stir fry right away. After 40 to 50 seconds, flip each individual piece over. If you can remember which order you place them in, flip them in that order. Sear the second side for 2 minutes once the chicken is fried on both sides until golden brown. Add all the ingredients and stir fry. Turn to high heat and stir fry all ingredients for 2 minutes. Then add an appropriate amount of hot water. If you like more curry sauce, you can add more hot water. After boiling, put in 300 milliliters of coconut milk first. The coconut milk will not only make the sauce smoother and richer, but it will not yite. In Guangdong, yite is the collective name for the symptoms of the common cold. Yite usually has symptoms such as sore throat and pimples on the face. Does that mean curry is unhealthy? Actually not. In nutrition, made up of meat and vegetables in a spice sauce, usually accompanied by rice. curry can potentially claim good for you status. The vegetables contain lots of minerals and nutrients. And turmeric, the main spice in most curry powders, has anti-inflammatory effects. Then put into tablespoons of curry paste and remaining seasonings. At last, here comes the star of our flavor fiesta, Americano. Do you know why curry tastes better when Americano is added? Foodies who know it can share the reason in the comment area. Sprinkle that spice with confidence over our chicken pieces. I think cooking is like life. Good and bad are half. So we put in as much 300 milliliters Americano as coconut milk. Then lower the heat to medium and cook covered for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, remove the lid, turn up the heat, and bring the sauce to a boil. At the same time, add an appropriate amount of cornstarch water to make the sauce thicker, then mix it in. Congratulations, my curry chicken connoisseurs! You've just mastered the secret to making curry more delicious. Share it with your curry-loving friends. Let them know the secret too. Now, grab your favorite side dish or a bowl of rice, and let the curry chicken dance begin. Until next time, happy cooking and may your kitchen always be filled with laughter and mouth-watering delights.